Hello everyone, welcome back to the Online Help Guide. In today's tutorial, I'll take you through the Anchor Wallet app installation process. Start by launching your device's Play Store. Tap the upper search bar. Next, enter Anchor Wallet. This is the app that we will be downloading. Simply tap the install icon to start the installation procedure. Now let it start downloading. Tap Open once the download is complete. You can now access the application by logging in or registering by following the instructions. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.